Welcome to Science Access. In today's class, solve more questions on limit of logarithmic function. So if you know you're new to this channel, please kindly subscribe. So let's assume that you are asked to solve lim x tends to 0. Let's say natural logarithm of 1 plus what? 2x. Let's say minus 2x all over what? X what? Square. You have to solve this. How will you do that? If you put 0 into this place, automatically you already have what? 0. 0 squared is 0. If you put 0 into this place, you still have what? 0. So, which is actually what? Indeterminate what? Form. How do you now solve that? It is very what? Easy. Just apply Taylor what? Expansion. You know that natural logarithm of 1 plus what? X. Or 1 plus any alphabet, you have what? Taylor expansion for that. So just apply that. So let's say, u is equals to what? 2x. So we can rewrite this. Can write this as what? Natural logarithm of what? 1 plus u minus what? U all over what? S what? Square. So I will know that lim 1 plus what? U is equal to what? U minus u square all over what? 2. Then you can continue, but let's just do this. Let's end here. This is actually what Taylor expansion. You can watch my video on Taylor expansion for this. So in place of this, I can what? Put this. So I can rewrite this here as what? U. What is actually u? U is 2x. Or, okay, u is 2x minus, now, bracket 2x what? Square. All over what? 2 minus what? 2 what? X. All over what? S what? Square. So if I decide to rewrite this as, let's rewrite this, we have 2x. Now this minus 2x, I'll bring it closer to this. We now have minus what? 2x. Here we now have minus, now this is 4 s what square all over what? 2. Then everything all over what? S what? Square. Minus 2s, this will cancel out this. Now, this will cancel out this, we have what? 2 here. So we now have, automatically we have what? Minus 2x square all over what? S what? Square. This s square will cancel out this s square. What is our answer? Minus what? 2. So it's very direct. So let's just touch this question a little bit. So let's assume that we have asked to solve for what? Limit of s tends to what? 0. Let's see, natural logarithm of 1 plus what? X minus 1 minus what? X all over what? X. Still apply this same rule. In this place now, we'll still put this. So in place of this, you now have x minus s squared all over 2. In place of this, since the sign have changed, this one will now become minus x. So let's try to solve it. So in place of this, what will I put? We will now have x minus x squared all over what? 2. Our negative sign here. All right. In place of this, we now have what? Remember, this is negative sign, so we now have what? Minus what? X minus x plus what? X what? Square all over what? 2. All over what? 2. All right. Now, note this, please. Once I use this what? Negative sign to what? Multiply everything here. We can redo that. Let's see. Everything here is actually what? all over what? X. So I'll use the negative sign to multiply everything. I'll now have x minus s squared all over what? 2 plus negative sign multiply this. We'll now have what? Plus x. Negative sign multiply this. We'll now have what? Plus what? X squared all over what? 2. Then everything all over what? X. We can rewrite this like this. This and this, they are similar. We'll now have x plus x minus x squared all over what? 2 plus x squared all over what? 2. Everything all over what? X. Now, minus this plus this will cancel out this. S plus S will now have what? Equals to what? 2x all over what? X. This S will cancel out this. What will be our answer? 2. So it's a very direct word question. The only thing you just need to know is this. Note this negative sign that to make negative sign attached to what? This X. That's the most important thing that you just need to know. So don't make mistake there. Once you don't make mistake there, always know that this is equal to what? This. This is equal to what? Is equal to what? Okay, this is equal to what? This. The only reason why you now have a negative sign attached to this S because the negative sign is attached to what? This S. So put your negative sign there, then you can what? Solve. So it's a very simple what? Question. Alright? So let me quickly drop an assignment for you. So just solve this simple assignment. Lim as s tends to infinity, x natural logarithm of what? 1 plus what? 2 all over what? X. Solve this. Drop your answer in the comment section. Thank you for watching.